consultant and social researcher. A firm believer in goal setting and self-management, she has declared this year, 2017, on purpose, a year of goal digging and soul fulfillment. While a student at the University of the West Indies, Krystal served as social sciences representative and vice president of services and special projects on the Guild of Students. She was a world university debater and was ranked the #1 public speaker in the world 2012 by the World Universities Debate Championships. This blue-blooded Taylorite is the recipient of the UWI Premier Award for Leadership 2012 and the UWI Premier Award for Culture 2011. In 2012, she was ranked Best Youth Parliamentarian at the 9th sitting of the Commonwealth Youth Parliament. With a Bachelor of Science in International Relations, Political Science and African Diaspora Studies, Krystal is completing a Master of Science in Natural Resource Management, specializing in integrated urban and rural environment management. She holds certification from Australia's Curtin University in Reputation Management in a Digital World. This 26-year-old is a former Miss Jamaica Festival Queen and National Youth Ambassador for Vision 2030 Jamaica. Krystal is the founder of the $5 Forum to counsel and upskill young women in self-management techniques. She is currently employed as Communications and Engagement Manager at Digital Foundation and television presenter for Television Jamaica's Entertainment Crime and Nyammings, a Jamaica cooking and travel log show. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Miss Krystal Amoy Tomlinson.
Festival Queen Krystal Tomlinson is to become the president of the People's National Party Youth Organization. Tomlinson is to be elevated to the position after concerns were raised about the effectiveness of current President Connolly Black.
So grateful for the thank you messages I'm receiving from parents who are excited that I'm doing this course because they know that their teenagers need it, and I want to explain my why. Anybody who knows me from high school can tell you without fear of contradiction that there was nothing about Krystal as a teenager that suggested I would reach any level of success, especially this young, before 30. And something happened at age 16 and I decided that I wanted to change. I wanted to be different. I wanted to be excellent. I wanted to be successful. And I deliberately, purposefully chose to change my friends, change my focus, change my attitude, change my behavior even sooner. That's why I'm doing this.